Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Suburban Studios Louisville North. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. The Suburban Studios Louisville North is minutes from downtown Louisville, Kentucky and Jeffersonville, Indiana. Local points of interest like Churchill Downs racetrack is near this hotel. Area attractions include Louisville Slugger Museum and Factory, Louisville Slugger Field, Muhammad Ali Center Cultural and Educational Center, Falls of the Ohio State Park and Kentucky Fair and Exposition Center. The Kentuckiana area offers a number of exciting things to see and do. Whether you want to look for that must-have item at the River Falls Mall or Green Tree Mall, golf on one of the many nearby courses or spend the day at the Louisville Zoo. A number of restaurants can be found in the vicinity. Guests of this hotel can enjoy features and amenities like well-equipped kitchens, weekly housekeeping service, free premium cable television with movie channels, on-site guest laundry facilities, free wireless high-speed internet access and free local calls. After a long day of work or play, relax and unwind in the exercise room. Corporate travelers will appreciate the modern conveniences this extended stay hotel provides its guests, like access to copy and fax services. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.